Oh, look at the waves.
Good morning, good morning, good morning! Eto na naman ang inyong pobreng lakwatsera. For today's video, tara, isasama namin kayo. Dito tayo magla-lunch sa Duke's Seafood Restaurant in Malibu, California.
We're on Highway 1 Scenic Tour Drive.
Ayan guys, tingnan nyo yung view. Nasa Pacific Coast tayo. Grabe, ang ganda. Kanindot man, uy! I don't mind driving pag ganito ang view. Wag lang yung traffic ha. And we're here. Grabe, Tom Jones na talaga. Pinaghintay lang naman kami ng mahigit 1 oras. Pero sabi nga, alam mong masarap yung restaurant na yan kung maraming taong pumupunta. Ayan guys, lahat yan naghihintay. Di bali na maghintay, worth it naman daw talaga dito. Remember, life is all about wait. Sa mga mahilig mag-bar, mag-inom-inom ng alcohol, meron silang bar station din.
The long wait is over.
Yes, enjoy.
Thank you.
At talaga naman, ang ganda ng pwesto natin.
Then, close to an hour. And then another close to 1 hour waiting for the food. But it's worth it.
Worth the wait. Yeah. Review for Duke's Restaurant.
Yeah, it's worth the wait. So I would suggest still, just bring with yourself more patience.
Yeah. How is it?
I read it.
Ayun nga pala guys, 1 hour for the wait and another 1 hour for the
Place
food.
is suggested by
But as
Mr.
they've said, it's worth the wait.
Anthony.
And if nabalitaan nyo yung LA wildfire, dito yun guys, somewhere here. Isa to sa mga affected areas. Huwag naman sanang mangyari ulit yung ganong sunog. May it be a reminder to us na life is so uncertain. Wala namang masama kung magporsige ka magtrabaho, kayo doon, kayo dito. Masama lang doon kung nakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo and more so yung Panginoon. Trabaho ka nga ng trabaho, kayod ka nga ng kayod, pero hindi ka naman i-bless ni Lord. Kaya importante doon, align yourself with God's will. May mga kilala ako, all their life, they're working hard and then hindi naman nila na-enjoy. So sayang lang din yung effort nila. Sabi nga, in everything that you do, in whatever you eat or do it for the Lord. Yung iba kasi, puro na lang ambisyon sa buhay, nakakalimutan na nila yung Panginoon. All for selfish reasons na lang. So paano ka magiging masaya niyan? How can you be happy in life if you're chasing the wrong things? Maybe for a while you'll be happy, but sooner or later you will still feel empty. Because you are chasing the wrong things. You are chasing for money, and money will never be enough. So chase the source himself, and all the resources will be added unto you. Diba nga sa Bible, seek ye first the kingdom of God, and all these things shall be added unto you. I don't want to sound religious, but that's the hard truth, my friend.